I thought I would try and articulate what it's like to start and finish projects as a parent, especially projects around the house. As an example, a few weeks ago, I took 2 weeks off work. And the first week I was going to dedicate to getting a bunch of jobs done around the house. A bunch of the 1% project completion kind of jobs. You know, where you've done most of a wall of paint, but you haven't tidied up the edges. Or you've done the concrete around your house, but you haven't painted the downpipes that go into the concrete since they were changed 18 months ago. Or maybe you've got a bunch of holes in your walls from kids or curtains or projects or pictures or furniture or just rage bait moments that went a little wrong, no judgment. Or maybe you've updated your TV cabinet or moved its location in your house, which we've done recently. And as a result, you've now exposed a whole bunch of damage that was hidden up and that you'd sort of forgotten about. The point is, a lot of these projects should have been finished off completely a long time ago. And it was frustrating that I had to take some time off work, or I felt like I had to take some time off work to get them done. I even wanted to make a video about finishing those 1%ers, and that didn't get finished either. I've taken the week off work and I'm going to do some home improvements. The thing that I didn't plan for was sick kids. The first Monday of the 2 weeks that I take off, things go great. I get a bunch of stuff started. I'm filming a video. I've cleaned Bowie's room. I've cleaned the walls. I'm sanding stuff. I've patched a bunch of things and I'm ready for stage 2. But on Tuesday afternoon, Bowie projectile vomits all over the couch and we realize that he's got gastro. A few hours later, Emmett goes the same way. They just start to get well again on Wednesday afternoon and Carly goes down. We all go down with gastro on the week that I dedicated to getting things done at home, around the house. Instead of an annual leave week that's supposed to make me feel great and supposed to get a bunch of things done, I'm instead spending it firstly looking after my kids, then looking after Carly and the kids, and then feeling sorry for myself. A, for feeling sick, and B, for getting nothing done. One thing that's been helping me is just trying to set myself little sprint goals rather than expecting to get the whole rest of the task completed. So in order to keep going, in order to keep feeling good about keeping on going, I've just been chipping away for an hour. Obviously not every single night that works. Some nights the dishes piled up in the kitchen, dinner has been some toast, the kids took ages to go to sleep. I'm not doing anything productive on those nights. I'm done. I've lost my will to push through. I hope this waffle has made some sense. I'd be really interested to know how you approach staying motivated for at-home projects and what keeps you going to get them 100% complete. Hope you're having a great week. Ciao. I'm also filming this during a lunch break at work because I'm trying to be consistent, and part of the trouble of that is also figuring out how to have a conversation, or what I hope is a conversation, on a topic that makes sense and that's actually interesting.